Hello everyone. So this is a K-12 kit and today we will be working on the project Potentiometer Motor Speed. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the positive of the potentiometer. Then its negative to the ground. Then its output to the positive of the motor fan. And then its negative to the ground. Now, on twisting this potentiometer, the fan is supposed to change its speed. Let's check. So this is the lowest intensity where it stops and this is the highest. And this is how it's done.